So this is the second video for the air conditioner condenser surround. Actually turned out better than I thought. Two condensers, pretty much camouflaged. I'm hopeful that it will also provide some sound barrier protection as well. So we'll see. Anyway, it's making it out of the pressure treated 2x4s. We really made it sturdy, so I didn't have to run a piece across the back to stabilize it, which I'm really happy about. So there you go. I may end up painting it at some point, but it's enough for today. Thanks.